How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now head towards the profile page. After you land to the profile page, at the top right you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Open the option Account Center. Click on the option Personal Details. Head towards the option of Account Ownership and Control. Click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Instagram username. Select the option of Deactivate Account. Deactivating your account is temporary and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you deactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now click on Continue. Now over here you will need to type in your Instagram account's password. Once you type in your password, click on the option of Continue. Now you have to give a reason why do you want to deactivate your account. You can select any of these reasons. After you select it, click on Continue. Confirm temporary account deactivation. Click on Deactivate Account. And with that, your account will be deactivated. So this is how you can temporarily deactivate Instagram account on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.